Welcome to Share Inspirations, guys. Today I wanted to share with you the benefits of Epsom salt. So, as you can see, I am out in my garden and I have this beautiful dahlia open. Wanted to start showing you guys that I seem to have a bit of a microclimate in my garden. The one space that I had the illusion dahlias, they were taken out by the first frost, but these ones didn't. So we'll see how long they last for me. Now let's get on to our Epsom salt. I purchased this bag that I want to show you from my local Dollar Tree, and what I normally do is open the bag, and in this area that you see, all this circle garden right here, I would go around and take this packet. Once every other month I would pour that with my hand, just take a handful and go around and do it every other month. There's also another way of doing so. You can mix 1 cup of this in 1 gallon of water. I personally don't do that because that requires me to have a watering can and fill up things and do it in a much more precise way. I personally, because I grow as much as I do, I have noticed a significant difference in blooms, as well as if I direct seed something, that it would actually come up and flower a little bit faster because of the fertilizer. Because what it is Epsom salt is nothing more but magnesium sulfate. And if you look on this packet, it says, you can zoom in, here we go, and it says right here you can use that as plant nutrient. It is magnesium sulfate, so a great fertilizer for cut flower beds. I have personally started using it about 3 months ago, and again noticed a significant difference. I do recommend that you give it a try, especially in seed starting, or if something is recently planted. Go ahead and give it a shot and tell me what you think. This was a short video of Epsom salt and its wonderful uses as a fertilizer in cut flower beds. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.